Making money online with OddsMonkey. This is our review, going through the good, the bad, and what we think. Stay tuned to find out more. Welcome to Rich Money Tips, where we show you how to save, earn, and grow your money. As we said in the intro, today's video is a review video for one of the popular services for match betting, which is OddsMonkey. We're going to go through the good, the bad, what we think of OddsMonkey, how it's helped us, and hopefully it will help you decide whether it's for you or not. As always, don't forget to hit that like button if you're enjoying our content and all our videos, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see our future videos and other notifications. I thought we'd start off just having a look at the website before we log in, and then I'll go log in and show you what it's all about. So this is the site. This is actually OddsMonkey. As you can see, they've Christmased the logo up, if that's a word. So OddsMonkey is all about making money online, and they provide a service that helps you with what we call match betting, and it says a smart way of using bookmaker promotions to make money online. They do offer a free trial. They've got a lot of information about it. And they do have a disclaimer here, probably legally required to say that there's no guarantee of specific results each month. The amount of money that you earn can vary depending on the time and effort that you commit each month, which I can vouch for. The more time and effort you do put in, the more you tend to make from the offers that they give you. And if we do have a look, there is actually a quick video. I'm not going to play it, but more than welcome to go over to the site, have a look. OddsMonkey, they have a 3-minute explainer video that actually explains match betting. Now, in this video, we're not actually explaining match betting, but you're here, probably you've heard of match betting, you've searched for a review of OddsMonkey. I want to see if it's actually any good. So here's their site. They have a few things listed here of what's included. I was either going to tell you before you do sign up. They do have the odds matching software, which is a huge thing for the OddsMonkey that we use. It tells you sort of what to bet on and things. We'll go through the example shortly. And so here's the odds matcher. They do have a racing matcher, a profit tracker, which is really great for tracking your profit. Daily offers, so what to do each day, and their support and community, which is really good if you're on your own. Maybe you don't know where to go. There is a support community there. A few stats for OddsMonkey. So they say they've had over 40,000 match bettors that they've supported over the last 5 years, maybe sign up to the service, which I sort of can't believe. They've been in years of business for 5 years now. They have over 100 guides and 7 days a week support. So they're all-round support for that. And this is the odds matching tool. And again, it's developed by their in-house, and their software automatically find the best odds for you. You just click refresh and it brings it up, which I'll go through shortly. They have their training to help you become a proficient match better. What offers to do every day. As you can see, they do have a mobile version as well. And so there's been 633 reviews with a 4.82 star average, which, as you can see, you can probably have a look yourself, which is really good, and some reviews of other sites that have reviewed them. A few case studies maybe from people that have done it and what they've done, been mentioned in some of the national press, and they do offer a money back guarantee. So really good really for OddsMonkey that they do offer this. So it's technically 100% risk free. If they say it's not for you, and you notify us or notify them within 30 days, and they'll refund your first payment. So you can't ask them for much fairer than that. There's full terms here. So this, again, they do offer a free trial. They say what's included in the trial. You get access to the odds matcher. I believe this is limited to just a few of the bookmakers to help you get started. They have introduction training guides. You can actually earn up to £45 from their free trial. So to test it out to see if it's for you before you pay them anything else. They have basic online customer support, which is understandable for the free version. No card details required. So you can sign up to your free trial here. I have put a link in the description below that you can use. We really appreciate it if you do use it. We get a small kickback if you do actually sign up to them. and sort of as a thank you for sharing it. Now, their premium version, which is what we're going to review today, whether it's good or bad and what we think, you have the full OddsMatcher tool, which in our opinion, we believe it's worth it for that, to tell you what to bet on. You don't have to scroll through all the odds, all the different matches to find the best match. They have the racing matches, so if you're on horse racing, you can find the best offers there. The each way, they have lots of matches, lots of services, to be fair, that's included daily offers that you can do every day. You know, you log on, you don't have to go through all the sites. They tell you exactly what to do. So you get access to all of their tools, all their video guides, ongoing profits. Again, the star, that I think that's a disclaimer. Full online customer support, 30-day money back guarantee, and all this for just $19.99 a month, or you can pay it annually for $150, which works out to £12.50 a month, or $19.99 a month, which works out to about 60-70p a day, something like that. So we're going to log in. I'm going to show you around and what it's all about. And here we are logged in. So as you can see, I actually don't use the OddsMonkey to track the profit. So as you can see, it's all different. I use my own spreadsheets and things, but their profit tracker is really good to use. So from logging in, we can see that they have the OddsMatcher. We have their calculators, which calculate everything for you. It saves you time. And as you get used to match betting, you will know that time is actually money. Okay, and anything that saves you time, depending on how much it costs you, of course, is worth doing. The matches, they also have a casino hub as well, which is something new that they've launched this year. When all the sports went down, they focused on providing casino offers. If you're not sure how to do casino offers, I'm going to put a link up here. There is a separate video that I do, but I'm going to look into that for you today. They have everything here. And as you can see at the top, they have the tutorials, which we'll go through. They have the offers here, so new account offers they go through. Again, I can't show you because it's probably private information. All the different offers that you can go through. I think they do say there's over £900 in new account offers to be made, so that's guaranteed profit on doing that. Now, please do remember that you can actually make £45 from signing up to their free trial. I would then use that £45 to pay for the premium service. That's $19.99 a month, and then it's sort of risk-free from there. You know, you're making the money. There is technically no risk because you're betting and backing both sides of the market. And I would 100% say this is the way to go. They have new account offers here for the casinos, which is probably in the casino hub there. The daily offer calendar and the current offers as well. So really recommend doing that. The casino hub here, so they have casino new account offers. So if you're not really interested in the sports, which I would go for because it's again free money at the end of the day, go through the casino offers. Okay, these are slightly different. It's not guaranteed, but if you watch my other video, you'll know that over a long time you're expected to make money, and these really do help you through the training guides, the reload offers, which are regular account offers, and the weekly clubs that you can do. They have all the videos here, search guides, and all the tools here, which you get access to for just 60-70p a day. Really recommend doing that. Now, they do have what we call an integration that they can integrate your exchange account. Now on Betfair, I believe they have a 5% commission, and on Smarkets they have a 2% commission. Now if you're regularly match betting, if you integrate OddsMonkey with these services, preferably Smarkets, they reduce your 2% down to 0%. So by actually integrating that in, you're saving 2% on your commission. You're actually saving 100% of your commission, but you're saving that 2%, which can actually pay for the OddsMonkey subscription itself. So by actually signing up to this, by using the service, by placing bets through their OddsMatcher once per qualifying period, you actually get a 0% commission on all your exchange bets, which I use heavily on that. Also here you have their community and their support too. So we're just going to have a look at a few things and give you a little insight into what there is. So hitting the tutorials, as you can see here, it's actually more than they said. You can earn your first £63. I think they've added another bookmaker in here, but it takes you through, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, it takes you through your first few profits. So £24 profit from here, 7 from here, and £16 from here, and that's all to do with the first set of tutorials. And that will take you through, I believe this is for the free trial, yeah, the free trial. So free tutorial, you can actually get the 63 quid, it says, and you can make some money that way, which I'd highly recommend. And then you can test out the service for yourself free. Use the link in the description below and see what you think. We're going to head over to the OddsMatcher now, which is one of their main services, and go through that. So with regards to the OddsMatcher, as you can see, it does show up everything that you can bet on, and you can actually filter everything here. So which sports you want to go through, which markets you want to bet on, the bookmakers that you want to do, the exchanges that you have, time limits, odds, liquidities. You can actually search for events as well, and you can bring up everything here with the different bookmakers as well. So this service is well worth it. And once you hit one, you can click the eye. It brings up, hopefully it loads quickly here. It actually brings up what you've selected. It tells you what to bet on. So here it can show you the teams, what to actually bet on, what to lay. You can put in the amounts here. It'll tell you what to bet here, and it'll tell you what your profit will be. So really good. It actually tells you everything you want to do. There's an advanced mode as well once you get into it, and you can actually log the bet on the profit tracker, or again, like we do, we use a separate spreadsheet. It's just slightly different to track everything, but OddsMonkey have a really good one that I would recommend, especially for beginners and things. So last thing, let's check out their casino hub. So this is a casino hub, not match betting, but they do casino offers, and here you'll be able to find lots of great offers and guides to help you maximize your profits. So new account offers here, it says £404, 11 pence expected. From regular offers, £70, and weekly bet clubs, £11.90. This is value based over the next 7 days. And they have calculators, offers, training guides, and everything. And guys, this is all yours for just $19.99 a month. We'd highly recommend it. It can boost your profits, save you time, and again, well worth it. I can't really think of anything bad about OddsMonkey. It's well worth the 60-70p a day that you've got. It saves you a lot of time in looking for offers, which can help you maximize your profits on your time spent. So it can give you a better hourly rate, and it's all super. So we'd love to hear what you think. If you've tried it out, if you tried their free trial, please use the link in the description below. Get signed up. Let us know if you do sign up. Let us know what you think in the description below, in the comments below, sorry, and let's do it. If you want us to review anything else, please leave a comment. We'll take it on board, maybe do a review video, check out their premium services, and take it from there. So we really appreciate the support. I know we're growing in subscribers. You guys are really supporting our channel, and we'd love to do videos on what you want to hear. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.